the package that it came in. They provided me with a starter kit. This is called the Period Starter Kit. And it comes with one free waterproof wet bag. So if you're on the go and you have to change, they do have a waterproof wet bag that comes with this. I don't know if that's gonna focus or not, but this is the way it comes. They have the wings, which are good, so you can secure it onto your panties to ensure maximum protection. So I think that that's pretty cool. Wash before you use. So these are washable. Again, they are reusable. Now, if you feel like, hey, I don't know if using something that would be reusable would be my thing. Well, if you're not looking at it from a standpoint of saving the environment, think about the climate that we're in today. There's so much going on in the world, and hey, what if something happens and you run out of pads of what you already use? This is something that's definitely good to have for emergencies because you never know what can happen. So again, Highoh, as you can see here. You could use approximately 3 to 4 of these per day. And again, that's according to your flow and the absorbency with the pad. And this is the waterproof wet bag that comes with it. This is really cute. So it looks kind of like a wristlet, as you can see here. So if you're out on the go and you need to wrap up your sanitary napkin, you'll just dispose it in here. I'm gonna do a test. I have a half cup of water, and I'm just gonna do a test to see what the absorbency is on each. And I'm not gonna put the full 1/2 on this. I'm just gonna do a little. And of course with water, it always beads up, as you can see. Water and blood are 2 totally different things. So what I'm gonna do is put this down to kind of mash it in and see if it soaks up. So it's been a couple minutes and this is dry. The surface is dry and even the back feels dry. So that's a good thing. If you're worried about using something that's cloth, definitely look into it.